Hey friends, Drew here with 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation. I want to give you a tour of a brand new kitchen project that we recently finished here in West Grove. Some of you may remember seeing the after photos. That space out there was a large sunroom area, kind of a three-season porch, and homeowners asked us to open that up, put a beam across, and actually make that part of their family room here. So we ran this beautiful wood grain tile floor, plank flooring through both rooms, continuous. We've got some electric heat, radiant heat underneath to keep that tile nice and warm so that you're not walking around feeling that cold stone on your feet. Keeps it very comfortable in here. I love the toe kick accent lighting and the over cabinet crown mold light that we put in here. It just really sets this kitchen off and creates a real nice space. So you've got a beautiful living area space here. These are some very high-end windows that we've put in, and there's a lot of wind that comes in through across the field that's out back here behind the house. But the gorgeous thing with these windows is they're very high quality, and they do a great job of keeping the outside wind outside of the house. Little breakfast bar set up here with the countertop sort of overhanging, and then come into the kitchen here, and just a gorgeous space. This is 3 different types of tile that we put into the backsplash here. So you've got a big square block and then some smaller ones, and of course the subway shape across the back there. And then some gorgeous countertops that went in to finish it off on top of the appliances. So one of the things that we try to do with all of our kitchens, and I'll show you this, I really try to keep all of the drain plumbing towards the back so that you don't have that occupying your space up here where you want to store all your different stuff. So we just try to try the drain plumbing as far to the back as we can. And undermount sink absolutely came out incredibly gorgeous. We've got some great trim detail going on up here on the crown mold with the dental molding, several different layers of trim going on to bring all that together. And then the lighting package that's in here really does a nice job of showing off the finished space. So we can kick on everything, and you can really get a sense for just how beautiful this whole project came together. So huge renovation there, and of course tying it into the extra room. We'll go ahead and kick those lights on for you so you can see what's going on there. Really brightens up the space and gives you a lot more living space, which is just going to be phenomenal for this family going forward. So what project can we solve for you? This is Drew with 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovations, your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078. If you've got a bath or kitchen makeover or renovation, a finished basement you'd like us to work on for you, build you a new custom dream home, or even the silly little home repair things that come up, the wind blows the siding off your house, or something else that we can help you with, give us a call. 484-748-0008 is our phone number. Please choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. And our office staff will be happy to assist you Monday through Friday, 9:30 in the morning until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We have had a lot of fun with this project. I hope you've enjoyed following along with us. If we can serve you in the future, give us a call or send us a message here on our Facebook page, facebook.com/𝗗𝘁'𝘀. We will catch you guys on another video. This is Drew in West Grove, Pennsylvania. Remember, it's not just done, it's 𝗗𝘁 built. Bye for now.